All right, we're gonna go up to the falls. This is Fall Branch Falls is what it's called. And when we were driving out here, it looks like nowhere. Like this is where we park over here. Woo! She smells something over there. Come on, let's go up here with Princess and Daddy.
There's a trail going down to the road right there.
There's a bench. You need a break? You need a break, Woo? That's a cool bench. Here's another rest bench. We walked up a steep hill and then around a corner. I'm breathing hard. Woo! The wind. I can hear the water rushing down below us. This is cool. They built steps down. So we ended up on that other trail anyway. So we don't have to go back that way. We can go back this way. Right? Oh. That makes sense. Oh, woo! So this is that sign we saw from up there. So that's another trail that way. And then you have to go back this way and down to get to the waterfall. So this is pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Look, Woo.
This one with the kids.
I know. Actual waterfall. We need to bring the kids here next time. Look at that. So you can go up, Woo, come, to the platform here. And you can stand down there too. Hi, Princess! 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 She's looking for me. Princess! Up here! Hi, baby! Alright, let's go down there. Here we are, Princess! Wait, don't go in there! She's trying to go in there. No! Oh, shit! She just stepped on my shoe. It is muddy. I don't think she likes the noise. The noise is scaring her. Woo? It's okay, baby. Do you want a water? Want some water? You want to go in? You can go in.
Want some water?
All right, so that's our waterfall hike for today. Thank you so much for watching. Look, Princess went in. She's a brave girl. Where are you going to go get some water? Come on, get some water. Look. No? All right. Have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you may be. We are loving the mountains.